This video presents the step-by-step information on how to change the alternator of your 259 D3 safely and efficiently. But before we start, let's take a look at the tooling required. The first thing we're going to do after we open that back panel is lock that door down with our safety pin. Double check to make sure it's secure. Next, we'll make sure the battery's disconnected by turning the battery disconnect to the off position. It's time to remove the cover plate. Next, we're going to move on to disconnecting the harness assemblies from the alternator. This next one requires you to lock that back nut to loosen the bolt. Now the alternator should be loose enough to remove the belt. Drop the alternator out of position so that you can get to the wire assembly in the back. Once those are off, you can safely pull out the alternator. Now that we've got the old alternator out, it's time to put the new one in. Let's start by getting the alternator in a place where we can reconnect those wires in the back and tighten those bolts. Don't forget the covers. Once those are all tightened down, place the alternator into position. Then, begin replacing the bolts. It's time to replace the belt. A lever will be needed to place it back into position. Check the tension. Once the belt is back on, tighten all your bolts to the correct torque. It's time to put that panel back on. We can now turn the battery disconnect to the on position and pull your door lock pin. Well, there you have it, good to go. This machine is ready to get back up and running.